and habits come and play. Learn it once you're on your way. I wake up early, drink my tea. Things I do repeatedly. Daily actions clear and free. This is how it's meant to be. Things that happen every day. Facts that always stay the same. Use this tense in every way. Simple rules, easy game. I play, you play, we play all day. But he plays, don't miss that way. She runs fast, it shines so bright. Add that S and say it right. He works hard, she loves to read. Add S, that's what you need. Ends with sh, X or O. Add ES, now you know. Don't like it, we don't go. They don't watch that kind of show. He doesn't care, she doesn't try. No S needed, that's the why. I pay, you play, we play all day. But he plays, don't miss that way. She runs fast, it shines so bright. Add that S and say it right. Do you like it? Do they see? Do we meet at 3:30? Does he work? Does she drive? Acts like this, keep it alive. Always, usually, often too. Sometimes, rarely, change your view. Often place before the verb. Help your meaning sound superb. She never tries. He often laughs, no surprise. We sometimes dance, they usually stay. Practice more and find your way. I play, you play, we play all day. He plays, don't forget that way. Don't and doesn't, questions too. Simple present, now it's you. Now you know what you can say. Use it right in every way. Speak with ease, don't delay. Simple present, here to stay.